trucks in order, and we've had a hard start here, so we thought that was Mike Johnson from Gainesville, but we were told we were wrong. That could have been Dylan Green from LaFarge. Mike may have some problems here. We need to get some stat information because we've got trucks out of order. I had Mike Johnson in the last truck up the road, and we've got no home